Google's latest December update for the Pixel 10 series has been praised for bringing major improvements, security patches, and smoother performance. But for many Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL users, the celebration didn't last long. A new and very annoying bug has appeared, and it's causing quite a bit of confusion and frustration. The issue is simple to describe, but terrifying to experience. The touchscreen suddenly stops responding. The phone wakes up normally. The power button works. The fingerprint reader still unlocks the phone, but the screen refuses to react to any touch input. For a device that relies entirely on touch controls, this turns the phone into something you can unlock, but not actually use. The strange part is how the bug behaves. Many users on Reddit have reported that the issue appears only after the phone has been sitting on a table or a flat surface for a while. If the device is in your pocket or in your hand, the problem usually doesn't show up. This makes the issue even harder to understand and even more unpredictable. What's also interesting is that the problem seems to affect only the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. So far, no Pixel 10 users have complained about the same bug. The only exception is one Pixel 9 Pro XL owner who reported a similar issue, but that seems unrelated or at least much less common. Users who are affected say the touchscreen becomes totally useless. You can't swipe. You can't tap. You can't even shut the phone down the normal way, because the phone won't recognize the touch input to confirm shutdown. A forced restart is the only way to temporarily restore function. Unfortunately, even that isn't a permanent fix. After some time on a table, the bug can reappear. This has pushed users to try every possible workaround, from adjusting settings to changing features one by one. And finally, one temporary solution seems to help more than others: disabling the Always On display. Turning off the Always On display stops the issue for many users, or at least reduces how often it appears. It's not an ideal fix because Always On display is a feature many people enjoy and rely on. But until Google releases an official patch, it seems to be the most reliable workaround. Another trick users have tried is enabling Extend Unlock, a location-based feature that keeps your phone unlocked when you're at home. But this only avoids the need to touch the screen to unlock the device. It doesn't actually fix the broken touchscreen itself, so it's not a proper solution. At the moment, Google has not officially acknowledged the problem, and that adds to the frustration. Many users feel stuck between waiting for a fix and dealing with a phone that unpredictably stops working. But even with this annoying bug, most signs point to the Pixel 10 series still being one of Google's most stable releases in years. Compared to previous Pixel generations, the Pixel 10 family has had far fewer problems, fewer hardware defects, and fewer widespread bugs. And while this new touchscreen issue is upsetting, it doesn't erase the fact that the December update fixed a wide list of bigger, more serious problems. So should Pixel 10 owners give up on their phones? Definitely not. The issue seems tied to software introduced in the recent update, which means Google can patch it. Google has a long track record of fixing touchscreen bugs through updates, often faster than other phone companies. And based on how many users are now reporting this problem, it's almost certain that Google is already investigating. For now, the best advice is simple: turn off the Always On display and wait for the next software update. Even though this bug is frustrating, the Pixel 10 series is still strong overall. And once Google issues the fix, the phones should return to the smooth performance users expect. Until then, it's a classic case of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. The update solved many issues, but it also created a new one. With a fix likely on the way, Pixel 10 users just need a little patience to get things back to normal.